Tired of missing out on live football action and being stuck with blurry, unreliable streams? This video will guide you through everything you need to know about watching live football on your LG Smart TV so you can catch every goal, tackle, and victory in stunning quality. First, make sure your LG Smart TV is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi. In your TV settings, head to your TV's home screen and locate the LG Content Store. The LG Content Store is where you'll find the apps you need. Let's explore your options. Many popular streaming services offer live football coverage. Some great examples are ESPN, Paramount, Fubo, and YouTube TV. Search for these apps individually by typing their names into the search bar within the LG Content Store. Once you find the app, select it and click Install. After installation, open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one. Keep in mind that most of these services require a paid subscription to access their live sports content. Now, let's talk about free options. Some official league or team apps may offer limited free live streams or highlights. Check the LG Content Store for apps related to your favorite league or team. Be aware that free options often have limitations in terms of coverage and video quality. Pro tip: remember to adjust your video settings within the streaming app to ensure you're getting the best possible picture quality for your TV. Also, always check the app schedule to confirm that the game you want to watch is being streamed live. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be enjoying live football on your LG Smart TV in no time. Now grab your snacks, settle in, and get ready to cheer on your favorite team. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful LG Smart TV tips.